Okay, now we're going to pick back up where we left off in the last video. We found that we had factors of negative 280 that were 14 and 20, and we would get a negative 6 if we did a positive 14 and a negative 20. So we're going to use those now to rewrite the middle term. So I'm going to have 8m squared. But instead of minus 6m, I'm going to rewrite that as plus 14m minus 20m, and then minus 35. Now we have four terms, so we can factor by grouping. Out of the first two terms, we can pull out a 2m. And let's see, 2m times 4m would give us the first term. And 2m times a positive 7 would give us the second term. Now, if we factor out the correct thing out of the last two terms, we'll also have a factor of 4m plus 7. So let's see, what times 4m would give us negative 20m? Well, that would be a negative 5. And let's just check it. Negative 5 times 7 would be negative 35. So that is the correct factor. Now we have a common factor of 4m plus 7 in both of those terms. So when I factor that out of the first term, we're left with a 2m, and out of the second term, we're left with a minus 5. So this is the way this this secondary trinomial actually factored. But don't forget that we had already factored out the minus 2. So just like when we did our numbers here, we could kind of temporarily forget about this 3 and continue on factoring the 9. But when we're done, we have to use every single one of those factors for the true factorization. We have to do the same thing with polynomials. So we cannot forget that negative 2 that we factored out from the very beginning. This is factoring that trinomial completely.